This is Girl with a Pearl Earring painting by Dutch artist Johannes Vermeer, created in 1665, and it's worth around 30 million or even more. Well, I couldn't save 30 million. I decided to build my own for £1.50. No paintbrushes here, just Lego bricks and patience. Here are bricks and pieces I used. First, I'm building a frame for it. The frame is done. Now I'm starting to fill in the black background. Now comes the star of the piece, the girl herself. I'm using a Lego brick separator tool to make sure everything is aligned. Just adding the final trim to give it a complete look. And here she is, my £1.50 masterpiece. You could hang it on a wall or keep it on a nightstand. She fits anywhere. So, what do you think? Is this worth £1.50? Thank you for watching.